Start. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So wait though, I promised to post part 2, but it seems like the promise turned into something else because my besties took it personal and anticipated for me to post it though. But anyways, we are here with part 2, Sha. Thank you. Now,
why are you laughing?
Well, they used love and support from the part 1, but if you haven't watched it, I beg you, go and show some love to that video. So from the intro video that you are watching, this video will be mainly the reason behind my trip to Jos. It was for a wedding, and secondly, you people are going to see where we stayed and literally everything that transpired in detail. So stay tuned and kindly enjoy the entire video. Catch you all on the next voice over. Sha.
Spending time with me, but you're nothing and a dime on it. Bought me at a price I can't afford, taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places, no GPS or escaping, no escaping. Yeah, you had everything, gave it all away, gave me everything. Drip on the cross, gave us only son, didn't take a loss, you did it for me. Glory only fully clothed, yeah. No designer still unfold, yeah. Took me from rags to riches, rags to riches, yeah. You wait for me, and in hour 6, you wait for me.
So we are currently at our lodge. And which face is this one? Yo, I look so exhausted from having no sleep. Anyways, we're walking to our rooms right now. Ain't gonna lie guys, the place looks so beautiful. Welcome to our room guys. Come with me. So guys, if you come in, here's the bed, and then there's a small side table here for your phone, maybe a coffee line, and then come this side, and then there's like the coffee corner, table now.
It's giving Sana. I don't think we're gonna be using it because it's crazy.
And then here's our bed, which is a vibe, so yeah. And then here's the bed, very comfy. Ooh. Comfortable. Come, here's a mirror.
Cute mirrors.
Come with me. Toilet for brushing. And then cupboard for I don't know what.
Another cute mirror.
Here's the spade. I think this is the soap, and there's a lotion and then your cold hot.
Very nice.
Toilet. This is the toilet seat. And then the other little toilet. Probably like, yeah. And then there's the shower, guys. The shower, very cute.
So nice, like the glass effect.
And then
This is the shower.
And then yeah, I will use the little cup in the morning, guys.
Cause my God is real.
So cute.
Good morning.
It's a chill spot. Yeah.
Done? No. Almost done.
You do edges. Summer. When I need the thing from Mama. Yo, my heels is not even that long, but hey, you should Sarah, look. Look.
It's not even that long, but Sana, you guys already know I'm long enough, so it's already enough stress. When I quickly eye my wig, I'm trying to put stitches on. It's a struggle, Sana. Yeah, come on. I want to record for you guys, that's why I don't have a mirror. And the adapter is just here behind the phone. So I cannot record where there is a mirror or something. Listen, please move to the other one. Rana, just sit like this. No, just want to sit behind. Oh, you are, definitely. Oh, the camera is. Ciao. Try and iron this to be at least even not the same, but like almost. I'm not curling it. Guys, I don't know if you guys noticed my wig looks like my hair. Like a lot of people confuse it with my hair. Daddy? Time is mine. Who's there? No visitors around. Thank you. I'm not even eating properly. We are already feeding the dogs. We're fighting.
I want the full picture. So I want the full and zero.
There's no full mirror. It's all these rounds.
They don't have a mirror.
How do you have food? They shine like the shiny side. Who is Hefru? That is Hefru. Moose is Hefru. It's not Wolf.
Yeah, you can look, man.
He's looking the.
Where's the Hefru?
Where's the Hefru? This one. Excuse me. Sis, such a suzist.
Do it there, man. Do it in the mirror. How do you use this one?
Just place it there.
On your hand?
Yeah.
That's only enough, man.
Yeah. I'm gonna go away. Ask me if it's in there. Let's see what the show you smell. Yeah, because when I'm dressing, you sleep. So, right now, we are ready to leave. My dress is already, I'm already dressed, guys. Like, I'm already dressed. And, yeah. Why do I feel like this camera is just showing? Wait, guys. Let me rather just hold it. So, basically, we are done getting dressed. I'm gonna be excited to see it. But yeah, we just got here like less than an hour ago, and my dad was like, let's go quickly, because we also want to speak to them before the actual wedding. So it's a traditional wedding. So today I'm gonna be wearing the haul that I did on my prep vlog. So yeah, my black dress, my black shoe heels, and my jacket. It's just giving it to mirror, like it looks so good. I just have to fix this quickly and then I might be going. Yo, I just have to press this quickly for it to get dry, because when we were on our way coming back, the car, I was sitting next to the door, and so the car was really hot and the sun was in my face, so it caused my wig to lift. Yeah, guys. So that is why my wig is like this. Yeah, but I think it's all good. Yeah, I'm just gonna put more foundation and then I'm good to go. It's laid and slayed, Sana.
Yeah, guys, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Oh, the view in this house is really insane. Like, it's so nice. This room, so nice, Sana. If I couldn't get a necklace on time. That's why I'm not wearing a necklace. Otherwise, I really love necklaces. Girl, I look so pretty. Like, I look so pretty. Nobody can tell me otherwise. At this point, I'm the prettiest girl in the world. Period. Period. Oh, black also nice as well.
Man, just follow me.
We are laid, we are slayed, and we are ready to go. Guys, I'm gonna show you the food. I'm gonna show you the food outside. Don't break the glass, please. But this is how I'm looking. My pretty nails. Pretty. Bye, see y'all.
Yeah, don't you know I'm a homebody? Don't leave my home for nobody. Bible studies over parties, any day, anyway. Wishing love and light to friends of mine who have faded away. Hoping they find happiness, hope they find their way to life, to Christ, rely on the Most High. Yeah, it's nothing but love. I get it from above, and while everybody else getting up to no good, I'll be praising you, you.
So guys, we at the wedding now, but there's a twist. We arrived late, very late for that matter. African time is really in our blood, but we thank God for the experience, and we had a great time, and we met a lot of new people, beautiful people. Like, guess what guys, everybody ate except me because I was not feeling the food. Like, the plate was just full of 7 colors, green here, green there. It wasn't make sure for me, sorry. Other than that, besties, it was a really good experience and I really enjoyed myself.
Lord, I'm tired of running, yeah. Cause every time I run, I seem to fall, yeah. I wanna go back to the way we used to be, But if I come back right now, will you still speak? I think I ran just far enough. I think it's time to embrace love. Who can love me through my eyes and nose? Who can make me feel so vulnerable?
Welcome back. We just got home. We finally came back to our lodge after having it's been a long day, guys, and we haven't rested for a really long time. I've just been sleeping in any car that I'm in. Any car that I find myself in, I've just been sleeping. Like, because the journeys are so long. Traveling from here to the place is about an hour. From coming back, all of that was like a lot of time. So I just kept taking the advantage of sleeping there the whole time. But right now, we're about to finally sleep. It's about past 12 right now. I don't know, but it's about past 12. We're exhausted, tired, everything. I thought I was gonna edit my other vlog, but I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. Right now I'm just gonna charge my phones and my iPad and everything. But yeah, man, we had a great day. It was a great day. It's just that,
because if we do summer, if we do vulnerable summer, then it's like, if we want to do it next summer, what do we call it?
We're gonna focus on the good part. It was a great day. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna sleep, and tomorrow we are waking up again early, and we're gonna go to. We're gonna wake up early, and we're gonna go to. What are you gonna do to it?
We're gonna eat.
The pub. There's no place to come home. The pub. That is so much joy.
No.
The thing is, there's no gravy to eat the pub with.
There's meat to eat.
Only meat can I eat meat to the pub.
You can't eat gravy.
I'd rather have just meat. Which one is Ukele and Janga?
John, if you want to eat the thing, I'll give you one meat.
Because I said I must take it back to Cape Town if that was it. Must take it to Cape Town, the whole thing. Papa. So I did not give you the one, okay, the one is for Vima, the one is for you. Why did you give it? Put the pap there so you jam now. Put it on meat for me there. I'm going to eat the pap on the meat. So yeah guys, we're gonna sleep. I'm not gonna eat now. I'm tired and I already ate a lot. But yeah guys, catch you guys tomorrow. We're gonna be flying tomorrow back to Cape Town. And yeah, it's gonna be another long flight. I might as well sleep there inside. But yeah guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.
What did I do to deserve you? Don't even know what I did. Been praying on this since a kid. I guess it's just luck if you say